All right, let's make a Venn diagram using Creately. First things first, click on New Document. What do I plan to draw? Well, we all want to draw a Venn diagram. So type in Venn, then it shows up. And to make things simple, let's start with a template. To keep things simple, let's use a simple Venn diagram. So just hover your mouse over simple Venn diagram and click Use. If there's a different Venn diagram template you'd rather use, have at it. In terms of what you're going to name it, it's up to you. I'm going to name mine 4-2 Venn diagram, and then create document. And here we have a very simple template of a Venn diagram. This grayish purple box is really important. That is what will show up in the image when you're finished. So you want to make sure that anything in your Venn diagram stays within this rectangle. Obviously, these circles are too small, so just by clicking on the circle, you can adjust the size. I'm going to make my circles as big as possible without going beyond the grayish purple rectangle borders. Make sure that when you're sizing your circles that you give enough room for them to really overlap. You want to make sure that there's enough room in the middle so that if there's anything that both sides of your Venn diagram have in common, that you can fit it in. There we go. Now you can see that they've provided us with some sample headings. Obviously, we're not going to use those. So on the left, I'm just going to adjust the size of the text box. And I'm going to name this one Features of a Reliable Website. And this one over here, once again, I'll adjust the size of the text box. And we'll have features of an unreliable website. And in the middle, features on both websites. Now, as you'll notice, you can adjust different features of the text, font color, size, font, bold, underline, etc. Once you click in the text box, that little A shows up. So now I have my Venn diagram. If you want to add text, you simply go to the text feature here, click where you want it, and then you can start typing. You can save simply by clicking on the Save Diagram, and that's that. In order to share or submit your Venn diagram as a picture, you'll want to go to Export. Now, because this is the free version, you're going to have to export as an image. PNG is fine. All of these settings should be fine. Then you click Export, and then it will save it to your hard drive. Mine is saved here. If I want to take a look, click on it, and there is my beautiful Venn diagram.